Now if I head over to ChatGPT and say, hey, I want you to suggest me niches, super niches, and iterate ideas for blog. Now if I simply enter, and it's gonna start giving me all the niche ideas and super niche and iterating ideas. So what I'm gonna do is see what it first suggests me. Okay, so first it came health and wellness. Again, you need a particular, you need experience and everything, authority. So we're gonna ignore that. Technology and gadgets, of course we can write on technology and gadgets. Personal finance and travel and adventure. Personal finance, I don't really recommend you because this is a very saturated and there are many forums like Forbes and Times of India and many big sites, which it is not possible to rank. I mean, not possible, it's very difficult to rank against those sites. Okay, travel and adventure, you can use travel and adventure. Lifestyle, hobbies, food and cooking. Okay, it stopped at food and cooking, and I think you can write down choosing a niche that align with your interest. Okay, let's ignore that. I'm gonna go with, let's say I'm gonna go with solo travel and adventure. Okay, hey, I want to write about travel, so I'm gonna pick travel niche. Now suggest me 10 super niche inside travel niche. Now hit enter. So what it does is it iterates. Okay, eco-friendly travel, budget travel. You can see that what I did. Now I don't even know these super niche ideas exist. Okay, I have no idea I can write about eco-friendly, budget friendly, luxury travels, adventure travels, cultural friendly travels, solo travels, couple travels, family travels, travel photography, food and culinary when traveling, digital nomad lifestyle. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna super iterate. I'm gonna iterate again, budget travels. So I'm gonna pick this keyword. Hey, I choose this. Now give me 10 blog ideas or long tail keywords. Now let's see if we get super niche. How to travel on tight budget, tricks and tips for affordable adventure, top budget friendly travel destinations, cheap travel hacks. Hacks, you can write tips and tricks. Okay, eating on budget. And you can also, guys, when it comes to travel, so what I did, okay, so what I just did there was used AI to pick niche, pick travel niche, pick budget travel niche. Okay, I'm gonna write it down here. This is a super niche. Now what else? Now generated 10 ideas or LT, long tail keywords, LTK. Okay, now what you can do is when it comes to travel, you can create a budget planner, guys. Okay, you can go to Canva and create a budget planner. Like, you don't have to be good at it. You can take inspiration from already available budget planners. If I go to Amazon, type in budget planner for travelers, and if I go to this one, budget your trip. Okay, let it load. You can see here, okay, destination. London is not there, too fast. Okay, anyway, you can take a budget planner and, write it in your blog, put it in your blog, or you can also create a digital product. Okay, now next we're gonna look at the answer the public